Hi there, and thanks for joining our video series on synapseRT NextGen. This is our fourth video in the series, and we'll cover traceability. So let's get going. In this video, I will introduce how to do requirement-based traceability through synapseRT NextGen. To demonstrate this, let's start from a user scenario. We'll continue with our flight reservation user scenario. We'll use our flight reservation system project in Jira as the example. We're going to generate a traceability report for the credit card validation module, including a list of requirements done in version 1.0, test coverage for these requirements, and test results for these requirements. Using our user scenario, let me demonstrate how synapseRT NextGen generates a traceability report in Jira. In our project overview page, there's a traceability link from the project sidebar. Click on the traceability link and synapseRT will take you to the traceability report page. The first thing we see on the traceability report page are the filters at the top of the page. Let's quickly review the various filter values. Okay, now let's create a filtered traceability report. First of all, specify some values in the requirement filter and test plan filter panels. We're going to try to limit to the tickets we've worked on. Entering filter criteria ensures you will get the list of requirements that you are looking for. In the traceability matrix report, the first column lists the requirements that you're looking for. The second column here lists test cases that cover the listed requirements. The third column indicates test execution results from test cases. The colored blocks indicate test results in the particular test cycle, which is from a test plan. For example, the green block means the test case is passed in that test cycle, when the red one means it failed. If you put your cursor on a colored block, a tooltip with a quick view of an execution result will pop up that it includes the test cycle, result, number of defects, and the tester's name. If you click on the colored box, it will pop up the test case run dialog, and you can read detailed execution information from there. If there's a bug raised against the test case, a bug icon will be present. If you click on it, a dialog with the defect list will pop up. Now, heading back up to the top of the trace report, if you would like to see a tree report, you can switch it to tree report by selecting the tree radio button here and then clicking trace once again. This flat matrix view contains the same information as the tree report, but things are organized in a more flat tabular manner with associated items under each row of the requirement. There are 3 levels in the tree report. The first level is the requirement list, and it lists all the requirements which meet the search criteria. If you expand a requirement, the second level with test case list will be present. It lists all the test cases that cover the requirement. At this level, if you continue to expand a test case from the list, the third level will be the test plan list, and it lists all the test plans with execution results for that particular test case. Colored blocks here have the same behavior as they do in the matrix report. The number in the bug column indicates how many bugs are raised against the test case, and if you click on the link, it will merely pop up a convenient defect list dialog. The number in the TC column indicates how many test cases are associated to the particular requirement. Clicking these numbers will pop up a detailed dialog to review their associated items and will enable you to access them from there if necessary. Now we'll head to the top of the report again. You can export the report to a CSV file by just clicking on the export button. There will be 2 options, export data and export matrix. Export data is to export the detailed traceability report with a list of requirements, test cases, and test plans. Export matrix is to export the data with the matrix view, the same as what you see in the page. In this way, all the information that you can see in the report can be exported for offline usage. I've enjoyed showing you this quick demo on the basic features of the synapseRT NG traceability module. Thanks a lot for watching. And as usual, if you have any questions or are interested in a live demonstration, send an email to support@gotogroup.com.